Welcome to this video on income and deductions. We will explore your paycheck, learning how to calculate your earnings from gross income to net pay. Today we'll cover how people earn money and the reasons why some funds are subtracted from a paycheck. By the end of this video, you will be able to read your own pay stub. It's important to know 4 key terms. Gross is all the money you earn before deductions. Net is what you take home. A deduction is money taken out for things like taxes. Taxation is the money paid to the government to help the country. Imagine earning $500 this week, but your paycheck is only $400. Where did the $100 go? It's not theft. It's due to deductions, which we will now explore. There are 2 main ways to get paid: an hourly wage for each hour worked, or a fixed annual salary that does not change with extra hours. For example, $15 an hour for 10 hours is $150 gross pay. To calculate your annual salary, we multiply your pay per period by the number of periods in a year. For instance, if you earn $1,000 per week times 52 weeks in a year, your annual pay is $52,000. Let's do a quick math check. If Sam earns $2,000 every month, what is Sam's annual salary? Think about how many months are in a year. The correct answer is $24,000. This is calculated by multiplying $2,000 per month by 12 months. A key concept is the deduction, money taken out of your gross pay. Some deductions are legally required, while others are optional choices you make at work. In Canada, we pay 2 types of income tax. Federal tax goes to the entire country, funding services like roads, doctors, and schools. Provincial tax goes to your home province. Taxes are structured like a ladder in a progressive tax system. The more money you make, the more you pay in taxes. Remember, those who earn less money pay a smaller proportion of their pay in taxes. The Canada Pension Plan, or CPP, is a key concept. It's money you contribute while working. The government sends this money back to you after you retire, so you can support yourself. Employment insurance, or EI, acts as a safety net. Every worker pays a small amount from their check. If you lose your job through no fault of your own, EI provides money while you search for new employment. Here is an EI check question. EI is money you get only when you turn 65 years old. Is this statement true or false? The answer is on the next slide. The statement is false. That money is from CPP or retirement funds. EI is for when you lose your job unexpectedly. Voluntary deductions are things you choose to pay for from your paycheck. Examples include health plans for dental or glasses, and union dues paid to a group that protects workers. A pay stub is a document listing your pay and deductions. It displays your gross pay at the top, then lists every deduction, and finally shows your net pay at the bottom. The net pay formula is simple. Take your gross pay and subtract your total deductions to find your net pay, which is the money you get to keep. Let's put the steps in order from start to finish. Think about the correct sequence, and the answers are on the next slide. The correct order is: you work your hours, your gross pay is calculated, deductions like CPP and tax are taken out, and finally, you get your net pay in your bank account. Taxes are often calculated as a percentage of your pay. If the tax is 15%, you multiply your pay by 0.15. Remember to always change the percentage to a decimal before multiplying. Here is a scenario. Maya works at a cafe and earns $400 this week. Her taxes are $40, CPP is $20, and EI is $10. How much is her net pay? To find Maya's net pay, first, calculate the total deductions. $40 plus $20 plus $10 equals $70. Then, subtract the total deductions from her gross pay. $400 minus $70 equals $330. Maya's net pay is $330. Understanding net pay is important for planning your life. If you only look at your gross pay, you might overspend. Always plan your budget using your net pay. Let's review some vocabulary. Your total pay before taxes is called underscore 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 pay, but the money you take home is called underscore 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 pay. Use the word bank to fill in the blanks. The correct answer is: your total pay before taxes is called gross pay, but the money you take home is called net pay. Salary and hourly are other payment types. A future tip for you: when you get a full-time job, you might see a large salary number. Remember to subtract about 25% for deductions to see your real spending money. A final thought: is it fair that the government takes some of our pay for taxes? Why or why not? Think about your perspective. Some views include that taxes pay for public goods like roads and hospitals, or help those in need. Others think taxes are too high. All are valid points. In summary, we learned that gross pay is the start, net pay is what you keep, and deductions like tax, CPP, and EI are money taken out. Always check your pay stub.